Okay, so once you got the electrical installed, we move into the HushMat. And HushMat is boxed these especially for Adventure Wagon to give the proper coverage of what we're trying to do in the van. Now this is sound dampening, which is different than soundproofing, but it helps a little bit with that, but mostly it's to take that tin drum sound out of your vehicle. So when you close the doors, it's not booming, and if you're tapping the side of the vehicle, it doesn't sound like a drum. It helps a lot driving down the road with wind noise as well. This, with the thin slit, creates the soundproofing element of it and takes a lot of the resonant sounds of travel out of the vehicle. So you'll notice a pretty big difference once this kit is installed from when it was empty. So what you'll find are 2 boxes of HushMat in this first box. And what we get out of these, if you've never used HushMat before, and we'll go into the more detail in the install, but essentially it is a butyl-based sheet where you peel the back of it off and apply it to the skin of the inside of the vehicle. And I use some of this to make sure that some of the wiring harness is fastened into place, specifically in one area, and we'll go over that, as well as softening some edges in the vehicle where the wire harness passes over maybe a sharp edge in the vehicle itself. So yeah, we'll learn more in the install video and put it in.